Cpen contract address to your MetaMask. So let me show you. From there, we're going to go how to what to swap it. Then first of all, I want to show you this thing, how to remind those that are still mining, that are inactive. So what you have to do, you come over to this mining spot. Then you say remind inactive. You just click and remind them. I still want to show you more thing. Then if you can see this my icon, the eye that is blinking, because once you have 2 hours remaining or 50 something minutes remaining, just click on it. With this thing, and it will give you another 24 hours. Let me go back. Okay, you can see now I've been given 20, that is 24 hours again. So once you are mining and you come over to maybe 2 hours time for you to for the mining to finish, just click on it, because the icon will just change to yellow. Just click on it, you will see that there. So what I will do now, I will take you to S to copy their contract address, because we are going to use it for the swapping of our Cpen to BNB. So you can get the contract address from their S account. You can also get it from their C story and C story. So let's copy the contract address. I will say copy. Then let's go over to MetaMask. So on MetaMask, and is very simple for you to place your contract address. Either you come over to the setting and click on network. On the network, you see BNB Smart Chain mainnet. Just click on it. Then you see save here. If you have not saved it before, you see save here. Immediately you just save it, or you come over to let's come over to the wallet again, or you come over to this icon here. Just place the icon. You see select a network. Then you click on BNB Smart Chain. Just click on BNB Smart Chain. So if you have not import your Cpen wallet before, we have copied the Cpen wallet. Then click on import token. Just click on import token. You click on import token. At this search and custom, switch it to custom. Then you paste your import token, your contract address in this place. The contract address we copy, just paste it here and click next, and the rest. You can see, click next. You see automatically token symbol will be distributed, while token decimal will be what? Imputed, and your what? Your this, just click next and then click import. This is how you'll be able to what? Import your Cpen token to this MetaMask. So I'll be showing you how you'll be able to swap your MetaMask, your Cpen to BNB. And make sure if you want to swap this your Cpen to BNB, you must have a little token of BNB, like 0.5 dollars in your BNB. You'll be able to swap. So let's go over to how you're able to swap it. Then come over to this symbol that shows discovering. On the symbol that shows discovery, come over to this site address. Just click on the site address, then type in PancakeSwap.finance. So immediately after putting PancakeSwap.finance, what you have to do now, you make sure that is remain in this position swap. Then you have to connect your wallet. So you click on connect. Okay, let me cancel and show you one more thing first. You can see that you have BNB and a cake. Then you click on this symbol at the centers. Click on this symbol at the center to swap it now. You see now you have changed to cake and BNB. So at this top now, what you have to do first, connect your wallet. So immediately after that, you click and connect. So when you say connect, you will see 2 lines here. You see MetaMask and injected. So you don't have to click on injected. Just click on MetaMask. So immediately you click on MetaMask, you see now it says sign it again, which is connect again. For you to connect the MetaMask, you see permission updated. You can see our MetaMask is connected. So remember, let's change it back again to cake/BNB, cake/BNB. So on this place now, you have to click on the cake. So on this place now, the contract address, Cpen contract address we copy before, just paste it in this place. The Cpen contract address we copy, just paste it here. Then okay, you see now. Cpen contract address has been what? Copy. Just click on import. As you click import, just come over and don't be afraid. Just come over to understand and understand. Then click import. You can see Cpen has been what? Included. So we now have Cpen swapped BNB. You are swapping Cpen to BNB. So what you have to do, if you have 2000 Cpen, 1000 Cpen, any Cpen you have, either you click on maximum, or you click 50% or 25%. So I'll just come over to this place and click like 500 Cpen. Let me click on it again. So this is a 5,000 Cpen that is here. It's equivalent to 11.78 USDT. Wow. Would that be the price over 5,000 Cpen? That means that they are going to dust. Yeah, their listing is going to be dust. So once you BNB is going to this 5,000 is going to be converted to what? To BNB. So it's going to be what? Converted to BNB. Immediately it's converted to BNB. Or if you can come over to say enable MENC protect, but don't do it. Then in this place now they will put gas fee. You have to pay for gas fee. You understand now? You can see now. You can see exactly what we are saying now. So 5,000 Cpen now is equivalent to 0.02, which is to almost $12, which is almost $12. Though this thing is not the listening price. This is not, they've not listed. So just that it's a helping stone. You can see the BNB is frustrating, going up and down. You understand? It's frustrating, going up and down. All what you have to do now, in case you've connected and you can see their gas fee is 50 Cpen. Their gas fee is 50 Cpen. Just come over to trade or in or bridge or play. So immediately you convert it. After converting everything, just come over to wallet. You click on the wallet, you will now see the maximum amount. The 5,000 Cpen you converted will be showing in this BNB position. Then this Cpen you have now will reduce, and that is all about what BNB. That is all about, and you can also swap it back from this BNB to what? To Cpen. You can swap the BNB to Cpen. That is how they do it, swapping it, changing it before the list. This is before the list. Those price you see is before the list. So Cpen has not listed. Cpen has not been listed. So before the list, and they promise us that they are going to be listing on this April. So but exact date has not been mentioned. So in my next video I will be doing the price prediction of this Cpen. So thank you for watching.